Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like Hlathi is not getting anything from Zoleka, and this is after Zoleka seeked legal assistance from Nonxeba. But the main question here is this Nonxeba trustworthy? Is she not here to dribble Zoleka assisted by Lazarus? And I want to talk about that here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Yeah, angali, we as a country could trust issues, very. That is given. That is why it is so difficult for us to trust this Lazarus guy and Nonxeba. But guys, tell me, boge, why are these guys not giving anything to trust? You know, I don't like the way that Lazarus looks at Zoleka these days. He looks at her like those scammers who swing our sisters or pretending like they love them or they want to be in a relationship with them. And me, I wouldn't be surprised to find out that Lazarus and Nonxeba are dating and they've targeted Zoleka because they knew that she was an easy target. And if you think about it, Lazarus was the cause for Zoleka and Hlathi's divorce. So never mind Utu Zoleka and Hlathi vele were having their issues. But I think that there are high chances that this was his plan all along. Even if Nonxeba got pure intentions and Lazarus is not aiming at taking Zoleka's assets, I still don't think that Zoleka will be able to get away with all of this. Phela Hlathi doesn't take it lightly, and he knows how much Zoleka is worth, which is why there's this clip that I saw where Hlathi calls Sydney's wife. Phela guys, don't forget that Sydney's wife is also a great attorney. So it's Nonxeba against her. What is big and who is better? We now wait to see how is this whole war going to end. And if you ask me, I think this will all end with tears in Zoleka's eyes. So ladies and gentlemen, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here in this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.